Hi everybody, Grandpa here. Well, I tell you what, let's head on over to Easel and finish up our painting on Miss Dandelion, and I think I saw a friend over there. Meet you there. And here we are. Oh, wait. Who's that? She must have snuck in here. Now we know what Miss Dandelion is looking so intently at. My wondering is she a friend or lunch? I'm not overly sure. And Miss Dandelion's not saying a lot. So we'll let her worry about that while we put just a little more dark around the edges. What this is doing, okay, is this is giving Miss Dandelion more roundness, okay? We need to have Miss Dandelion perfectly round so she can take her place. Now I'm just removing some of that paint. You see how easy that was? Just reach in there, damp brush. I can pull some of that paint right back up and off of there. And you know, I think we can call our painting pretty much completed now. We've seen Miss Dandelion just literally come to life for us. And she brought a friend, at least I think she brought the friend in to say hello to. So, tomorrow we'll go over what we did and get an idea of where we're going next with our painting lessons, okay? So, I want you to give a thumbs up if you can, give a like, leave a comment. All of this is important, okay? And remember that I love you, I love you, I love you.